Hey guys, welcome to today's masterclass. My name's Nathan, if you haven't danced with me before, and we're coming at you from Sydney in Australia. Today's theme is definitely one of my faves. I just call it low-key club. You should be able to execute this entire dance holding a drink in your hand and do it in public without looking like you're doing a dance routine from a dance class. Let's go.
Over 300 students now use my Colourform program to learn how to dance the smart way. Support this channel and try it for yourself. Head to movewithcolor.com to learn more.
Yeah, man. Step touch. So this is just a mix of stuff that just makes you want to dance. Okay? So if you're at a good place with a fun DJ, this is what you're going to hit. So your first move is just a 1, 2, 3. I call it like a little shuffle. So you're just going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The trick is to go super small. Disco small. Yeah? Just move your weight from your hips. Arms are just free to groove. You see this actually at a lot of places. You're either step touching or they're just like grooving out like this, yeah? Same thing, bring one to me. So it's 1, 2, 3, step, tap. That's gonna be our first move. Right leg forward, and then step out with your left, tap behind. Right leg. I can't stop, won't stop the beat. 1, 2, 3, step, tap. Same thing, add on a little bit of drunken uncle hands. 1, 2, 3, just a little, Nice. A 1, 2, 3. All right, let's try something a little trickier. 2 steps. All right, okay, yeah. Told you this is low-key club, guys. It's not too high energy, but it's all about something you kind of do in public. Awesome. Let's get a little trickier. So put the feet still. Right hand goes down and past your right ear. So just get that motion first. Real scoop. Now put your left hand there first so it gives it a little bit of a woo. Kind of just looks cooler. Yeah? Swing it under. Same thing. Put it on the first step. Take it back. That's all. Just the right side. Here we go. 1, 2. You're like, is my phone ringing? Yeah. You saw it here first. To answer the phone call. What? Point. That's the next part. Okay? Hold, because that was a bridge. Here we go. Down. Hey. Again, you're in a tight club. You haven't got a lot of room. Who remembers this song? Just give it a moment. Oh, you already got it? Yeah. All right, hold here. Step touch. Oh, here it is. Wow. Suddenly the demography of the dance floor shifts a little bit when this song comes on. All right, from the top, 5, 6, come to me. Drunken uncle. And again, ready to reset. From the top, we shuffle. 1, 2, 3, da, scoop it, point it. Just remember, right hand is your focus, right hand. 1, 2, 3, da, right hand is your focus. Nice. Just reset yourself. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Right hand is your focus. So try not to make the mistake of thinking of both hands even there. Just focus on the right hand, yeah? Right hand. Yes. And then you say, and you look at your friend who's sitting down, and you're like, come on. What do you say to him? All right, hold here, step touch. Okay, so that's the first half of the routine. See what I mean? Just a little chills. Let's try a little rock forward and back. Rock forward and back. Just rock forward and back. It's a walking rhythm. Your left foot kind of stays on the same spot, but your right foot's walking, yeah? Let's get some MJ style. If you haven't actually done this on a public dance floor yet, you're missing it. Okay, so this is gonna come on. One more, hold there. That's gonna come straight on after the other move I didn't teach you that. 2 taps. Oh, put that away for now. Tap. Just tap. Again, small. Give a little elbow pull. Just a little pump. Just a little pump. Pump. Oh, actually really was looking forward to this song. Completely shifts the feel, this song. Make it a little chunkier. All right, so hold here. How about 2 taps and what's up? You ready? 5, 6, tap it. Da, and what's up? 2 taps. Hold here, hold here. All right, from the top. Bit of a different feel, same tempo, different kind of rhythm to play with. 5, 6, right leg. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, you gotta keep your energy going out. That's the trick there. Hold, step, tap, step, tap. Little drag. Keep your energy constantly moving to the right, and that'll keep the flow. Right leg. Ready? Keep going to the right. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Rock. Slide. Give it a clap. This is literally the last move. Okay, it's a couple of slide claps. Keep it simple. But first, everybody go a little crazy. Cause you can, cause you can, cause you can. There goes that thing you would do in public. I mean, if we were together in the place, I would do it with you, but okay. From the top, please. Perfect. Yeah, that's the move it's gonna get you. Gotta keep moving to the right, yeah? Slide. On the fourth one, give it a little extra slide. Just that fourth one, yeah? From the top. There you go, that's looking better, that's looking better. Come on, yeah, come on, yeah. What's the fourth one? Nice, what's the fourth one? From the top. Are you ready to shake again? I feel another shake coming up. If you're doing this with like someone at home, this is your chance to shake with them. But us, we got solo. What do you gotta do? You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it. All right, hold on. That's your cardio, that's your HIIT training. Yes. All right, hold on. Freeze on the right leg. Left leg. You read my mind, Reese. Just a little head action. Slide, slide, slide. So what's the fourth one? Even longer. Boom. So the fourth one, lose the clap, make it a slide. Yes. Now we're gonna kind of combine the two. So the first one's gonna have a slide on it. The last one's gonna have a freeze. All right? Same motion. First one has a slide, and then the second fourth one has a freeze. So notice the difference. This is the kind of authentic stuff I like to teach when I'm like, what do you do at a club? I'm like, how about you just stand still? It looks cool. Hold here, hold here. So the last move is actually just, ooh, back into it, all right? You don't have to move the whole time. Let's try it from the top. And 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Uncle, uncle. That's messed it up, saved it though. Yep, see, pulled it out. 4, ready, 4. And what was the last one? Can you go straight into it after the freeze? Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. 4, 3, 2 with a... And the freeze? The routine was made for this song. All right? Listen out for when he says tonight. For this, for that. Yeah, I want you to connect it. Banger! Low key though, you've got your drink in your hand. Let's go! You say hello to the person? What do you connect to? There it is! What do you say? Boom! Trust me, standing still sometimes can just look just as cool as moving, guys. 4, 3, 2, freeze. Oh. Keep the groove, keep the groove, keep the groove. Nice! So as you can see, this routine is not meant for high energy, but it is meant for authenticity. You can actually use it. These moves are very cool, very groovy. Let's build it up one more time. How you feeling with that? It looks kind of like you got it. Yeah? Okay. All right. Let's do this. Have a stretch. This is like what I'd be doing. This is what I'd be doing moments before I'm like, I like this song. Yeah. Lexi's probably there. All right. Bring it. What do you say? Are you looking at the person when you say tonight? You say, what do you say? Tonight. And we say, let me hear the party. Yes! Beautiful. Pretty much any move you mess up in this routine, you can just say, the stall keeps the groove, yeah? One more time, everybody, let's do this. And let me hear your party say. The party is underway. Let me hear your party say. Let me hear your party say, that's right, that's not the words. Last time, everybody. Freeze to finish. Nice. Cool work, guys, good work.
Thanks for joining me for another masterclass. Don't forget to check out the Colourform Learn to Dance series if you'd like to start somewhere a little easier. I'll see you next time.